What's up, man? It's your boy Infinite Mounts here, man. I'm back with another video, man. Today, I want to let y'all know about this credit repair. Credit is very, very powerful. Credit is one of the most powerfulest things you can learn about in today's society. Credit is king. If you don't got the money and your credit good, 9 times out of 10, if you've been doing right, you can go to the bank. I need $200, I need $1,000, I need $5,000, and you can get approved. So I'm gonna let y'all know step by step how to repair letters, different letters you can use to get your stuff removed off your credit, to get your late payments moved off your credit, and to literally just wipe everything off, because in reality, what you don't know is killing you. What you don't know is harming you. So understand what the laws is, understand what the Constitution rights is, Articles of Confederation, everything. Understand what society you live in. We in the United States of America. United States of America. Check this out. You need to know about United States of America. So dig up your facts, dig up your history, get on this credit. Understand why credit is powerful. So if you want to know, I got you. Let's go. Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Steven, man. Infinite Mount CEO here, man. I'm back with another video, man. I want to show y'all about this credit removal. Credit hacks, keys to credit. So check this out right here. Now, you got TransUnion right here. These people are people who got files on you. They got everything about you. You know what I'm saying? It's 3 on Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. But, if you're trying to remove stuff off your credit, you can literally use letters to send to these people and update your account. You know what I'm saying? You got the address right there. To whom it may concern, I'm writing to update or correct my personal information on file with your company. Please update my address. You got a new address, you done moved in the past month or two, change it. Please update my name. If you got just your first and last name and your name such and such with a middle name and the last name and a suffix, change it, update it. My only social security number, saying my correct date of birth, we know that. You know what that is. The only employer. Remove every employer, old position, company that you work for. No matter if you got a new job last month, update it. You know what I'm saying? It's old, it's inaccurate information. Your credit report almost 90% accurate for sure, guaranteed. So I do not wish to have any telephone numbers on my report. Please remove all the other addresses off my report, as they are not deliverable to me by the U.S. Post Office, and they are not reportable as per the FCRA since they are inaccurate. Sincerely, sign your name. You know what I'm saying? Put that date up there, fill out all that right there, send that to TransUnion. Hey, you can get a lot of little stuff updated and removed just because you took action. So let's start this year off right. Late payment removal request letter, Goodwill. This is a letter that a lot of people use to get these credit companies to just report good standing on their credit. You don't want to have your credit reporting bad payment, late payment, negative accounts, and all that. So you actually send them a letter to actually help you, show some mercy a little bit, help me out a little bit, take the little late payments off. I'm asking. I'm not demanding, I'm asking. So this is really what you wanted to say for real. Little information like this, your full name, your full address, your full phone number, dear customer relations, okay? You're just breaking down what you went through for real, but it's already built for you. This letter is in reference to a late payment with the account number XX. So you get your credit profile and you find out the file number, account number that you need. So it reads, this letter is in reference to a late payment with the account number that last year, due to extreme financial hardship and medical problems, I became seriously behind on several of my bills. While I normally make great effort to honor my debts and fulfill my responsibilities at the time of the late payments, I was simply financially not able to pay my bills. I have since gotten back on my feet and brought my account up to date with your company. I am now trying to buy a home. However, I am having difficulties receiving an affordable rate due to the impact of having a late payment on my credit file. I am hoping that your organization will consider removing the late payment from my credit report as a gesture of goodwill. This kind gesture will sincerely be appreciated and an invaluable gift to my family and I. Sincerely, you. Your signature, sign it, Send this letter off. Put your name, address, phone number, and get this stuff updated. Let's go. Now check this out. This is another one. This is Experian. Like I told y'all, it was 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. They're just Experian. So they all gonna be reporting your name, date of birth, social security, and your employment addresses. So if they all inaccurate, it's just you email to Experian now. Send the same letter off you that you did with Equifax. Send the same one off with Experian. Send the same one off with TransUnion. Make them update your information so your points can go up. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. All right, check this out. This is a good one right here. This is the one you really need. This for the collection agencies that's blowing you up, calling you, trying to get you to pay this debt. In reality, though, they done broke the law. These people selling your information to a third-party consumer just to contact you, blow you up, send you mail, talking about what you owe. They breaking the law. The government got rights and laws for that. Automatically get these people off of your credit report. You know what I'm saying? This is the letter for that. And I'm going to show y'all how to fill it out. It's really simple. It's already filled out. All you got to do is add your information on it. Add your details, your account number, whatever this company is that is blowing you up. You just add it to it. You know what I'm saying? And it's going to get removed for real. If it ain't within 30 days, they ain't hit you back or nothing, then you know, you can challenge that. You can send another letter. Hey, y'all ain't responded. Okay, we got another sample letter for disputing errors on credit card bills. Errors on credit card bills. All right. This is like if you got a transaction that you know ain't on there, or that ain't the right charge for that, or you trying to get this off of your credit card, you can do that. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't, because if it's real and it makes sense, then hey, you paid for it and you ain't got no, they can't take none of that you did, or you can't prove that it's false. So, you know, you can either pay it off or send in some letters to investigate it. But this is the letter you want to use to actually file a claim on that, to be honest. File you a complaint on whatever going on your credit card, and you plug in all the information pertaining to that dollar amount. So I am disputing in the item on my statement dated. Insert the date because I am unable to determine from my records what the charge is for. So, you know, you just simply fill out everything on here. Your account number, insert credit card account number, date of transaction, whatever happened that day within that amount of money that was spent on your card or whatever, you know, you dispute it. So you can put the dollar amount, the description of transaction, copy from statement, and you understand you got 30 days or 90 days for them to, you know, respond and resolve it before it can completely come off for real. So this is, you know, the letter that you want to send to your person of, you know, credit card company you're using. Put your signature, print your name, and you mail it off. And that's the way it go. Now listen, I'm gonna be real with y'all. You need to be understanding what credit is for real. If you ain't never checked your credit report in 2 years, it's a problem. If you ain't checked your credit report in 2 years, it's a problem for real. Because if you pay attention to what's going on around you, everything revolves around credit. You know what I mean? Everything. If you paid cash for it, that don't mean it wasn't financed from the company to get to the dealership. They had to have credit, or something had to be a profile that shows the history of payments to get approved for this vehicle or this house or this loan. So life is about credit. Because if the dollar didn't go nowhere, ain't nothing going to exist but your history. What you did with the dollar. You know what I'm saying? If all the money in the world just completely disappeared, what's going to be left? Your credit report and how good you managed it. So you'll be able to sell that. That's what happened when you die. But that's another story. That's deep. But check this out. These people sell your information. You know what I'm saying? They take your information, sell it. When you gone, guess what? You another contract. You know what I'm saying? You another file, your social security number. So if you realize and understand about credit and how deep and how far this go back for real, you will see why you driving in Atlanta or Miami or New York and you see these big buildings and stuff. Or these nice expensive cars and these big nice houses. You will understand that. You will see what's going on for real. These people having all this stuff off of that. Credit. Other people money, credit, just showing a history, a track record of what you can do with this money. If you can prove to me, this is how banks think. If you can prove to me that you can manage $10 a payment, $10 payment, we'll give you a $50 balance where it's a $50 payment because it's more money, for instance. But the goal is to keep this track record showing you ain't gonna never mess up. You know what I'm saying? So that's our trust with you. That's our bond. How you manage money is our bond with us. So if you can manage it, we'll give you the whole bank. So think about that. You know how to manage money. We'll give you the bank. We don't know how to manage money. So our credit messed up. We can't go get no loan. You know what I'm saying? Can't go get no money from the bank or people that do it because your credit bad. A lot of us don't even know how to fix it, don't know who to call to fix it, don't even want to invest your money into fixing it. You know what I'm saying? And you ain't even got to use your money. The world's so messed up right now. We so programmed right now. It costs to fix credit. But get what? People don't even want to pay nobody. That's crazy. For real, that's crazy right there. People don't even want to pay nobody to get their credit repaired. And it'll change their life. And another thing, what's even more crazy, it don't even cost. It don't even cost to repair your credit. People so lazy now. We so programmed, brainwashed. We think credit ain't for us. We think credit ain't even for us. When credit is for everybody. You got a social security number. A baby come out with a social security number. Get what? They got a credit profile already. Yeah, they gonna say 18 years old, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, but guess what? That's what you been told. You know what I'm saying? Once this social security number stamped this human, get what? You got a file now. You die right then as a baby, guess what? They gonna get some money off you. The hospital get paid, don't the hospital get paid? The people who bury the baby get paid. Everybody make money off of this social security. So you was a file number. Go see what your file number is. See what's your credit profile like. See how I can get this stuff off. You know what I'm saying? That's what I be on. You feel me? It's worth learning about, you know what I'm saying? Because you could be helping others. You know what I'm saying? You might be going through whatever you're going through in life. But if you start opening your mind frame up and start seeing the truth, the facts, the cover-ups, credit repair, business credit, LLC, all this stuff, trust accounts, read, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. You'll cry sometimes. You'll cry knowing that I can't believe this is what we don't know. You know what I'm saying? And you see people suffer and just think it's all about this and that, and that, and that, and that, when all you need to be knowing is this, your whole life will change. Now you ain't got to blame this person and that person and this person and that person on your financial problems or this, you know what I mean? It's just awakening of the mind for real. You know what I'm saying? When I talk about real facts for real. Like, it ain't just that subject. It is deeper than that. It's a way of thinking for real. Because the average person, they can watch some, they can listen to some, they can read some, but it didn't grab their attention. I wonder why. I know why it didn't grab their attention, because it wasn't given to them in the way of it grabbing their attention. You know what I'm saying? People take in stuff at a different frequency. You know what I'm saying? It can be too loud and a person love it, but the person around them like, man, nah, or it's aggravating. It can be too low and this person here love it because that's a good tune. But you got everybody else saying, man, turn it all the way up. You know what I mean? They ain't comfortable with that. So how you perceive stuff is at a frequency level that gonna grab your attention no matter what, because you was an electric being. But that's deep. That is deep. We pick up frequencies. We are electric. So if you get it right in a way of you feel like, dang, I caught on to that, it's because that's the way you supposed to heard it to grab your attention. So you got to understand yourself sometimes. You got to really understand how the human works, the human mind works, brains of others, advertising, marketing, just knowing what to say, knowing how to communicate, knowing how to search for answers. You know what I'm saying? It gets deep out here for real, but this credit, like I say, I'm going to deliver these messages to y'all different, but on the way of you're going to see how I really am for real. But like I say, this credit is deep. Get on it. Go look up the consumer rights. You know what I'm saying? It might be a lot of rights in this book, but look, all you got to do is search for what you're looking for. It'll start just unpiling itself. It's going to lead you on to the next video. You know what I'm saying? It ain't got to be mine. It could be anybody's. But when you take the initiative to search, guess what happened? Information start revealing. You know what I'm saying? It's out here for real. I ain't got too much of nothing but this. I'd rather die with that. You know what I mean? Because I feel like it'll take me to another frequency that most people ain't on. Or, you know what I mean? So, y'all got to open your brains up for real. And I'm comfortable with showing people how to do this type stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm comfortable with showing people about information. I love that. I love helping people. You know what I'm saying? Because I think so big and so deep, and it's put me in a mode of being the chosen one, where that's how God gonna use me. God is using me as the enlightened one to, no matter what you got going on, still guide people on what's real. And I feel like that's powerful enough itself. So keep going, do your thing. You can't please everybody, and get on this credit, okay? Everybody ain't gonna be everybody don't want to learn, but it's necessary for people to just start researching what's going on out here. And glad y'all here to stay, to listen. Thank y'all for tuning in. We got a lot more content for you. I'm finna show y'all the world for real. Let's do it.